Assalamu alaikum KG2. I'm Bushra Jinjua, your English teacher, and today again I brought a new lesson for you. I'm glad the way you are following me and sending your home assignments. Let's have a quick recap before beginning the new lesson. Well, do you remember vowels and consonants? Look here they are. Good, you have learned them well. Now we will see who are they. They are two brothers called articles, a and an. Where are they going? Let's follow them. A is going to consonants and an is going to vowels. You see, a is the friend of consonants and an is a friend of vowels. So, always keep in your mind that a is used before the nouns that begin with consonants and an is used before the nouns that begin with vowels. Look at these pictures and tell me what to use, a or an. Yes, a cat, because you can see the first letter is consonant. So we use a with the consonants. Next, an ice cream. Ice cream starts with I, that is a vowel, and we use an before vowel. Then an I. You can see E is the first letter and E is a vowel. So we use an I. A horse. H is a consonant. That's why we use a before H. A horse. A chair. C is a consonant. So we use a before C. A chair. An apple. N comes before A because A is a vowel. So that's why an apple. Now here's a homework for you. You don't need to draw the pictures. Just do the written work and make the English teacher of your class. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.